G'day guys, my name's Ethan.
I'm Kristen and this is 80 Adventures.
G'day guys, welcome back to another K&E Adventures episode. So yeah, sit back, relax, crack a tin and enjoy. Let's get it. Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah, brother! She's running a bit rough. Timing might be a bit off. Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Well done, big man.
Hell yeah. Yeah, mate? Yeah, so in the first part of the video, you guys seen us cranking it over for a while. That was just me trying to get the oil system primed up. So I had the fuel lines disconnected, so I knew it wasn't going to start then. I was just cranking it over, getting the fuel pressure up. And then once the fuel pressure was up, I primed the fuel system and she kicked right over. So yeah, I started just with just the basic things that needed it. So I just slapped a battery in the engine bay, started up, just make sure she runs with no funky noises coming out of it. But yeah, once I knew she was running, slapped everything else together, filled her up with coolant, took her for a little test drive around the block. But yeah, no, she's been going pretty good. So happy day. So yeah, also looking at getting it retuned, but I don't think I'll probably worry about that for now. It's still running the same amount of boost and fuel pump is still at the same setting as it was before, so it should be alright. I think just the pump timing needs a bit of adjustment. But I want to get a bigger fuel pump for it, so I'm looking at getting an 11mm boost compensator pump for it. That would just make it run a bit more better, more efficiently, and possibly going to a 16 or 18G UFI turbo, because the current turbo that we have on the moment is JB turbo and they're known for blowing up. So I don't really want that to happen on a brand new rebuilt motor, because then that's all my money going down the drain. So yeah, looking at doing that in the near future, probably after Christmas and New Year's, probably in the new year, I should say. But yeah, exciting things to come. She should be running probably reliably around 180 horsepower, 200. Yeah, she should be a pretty pokey motor then, so it should be good.
This is number 2 test drive.
Just try and load it up so I can bed in the rings. baby. As you can see in the previous video, we got the dog started, so she's finally up and running. Everything went pretty smoothly. We had a bit of a little diesel leak, so just ended up being the fuel lines. I just had to give them a bit of a nip up. They're only supposed to really be a single-use kind of part, but I've reused them again, so just had to make it work. Anyway, after that, it's been all running pretty smoothly.
Wow, is this Caney off road?
Hell yeah, brother.
My goodness.
First time the rubber's hitting the dirt in a while. First time in a while.
We've definitely been hitting some trees along the way, but it's all right.
Hell yeah, brother. Keen.
Oh my goodness. We're back, baby. Back on the beach. Just making it flat so we can set up the rooftop tent, and then we're going to sit up there and watch the sunset. That's the plan.
G'day guys. Funny looking driveway. So car's all running. She's running pretty good. I've just changed I did the first oil change today. So I'm going to be doing about 1,000 Ks and change oil again after that. First oil change was just to get rid of all the assembly lube and any type of rubbish, or not rubbish, but like particles of metal and stuff like that. Just trying to get all that flushed out. So she's on fresh oil at the moment, doing another 1,000 Ks, and then so we're currently on the beach at the moment.
Not on the driveway, wow.
But no, it's been all pretty good, so driving pretty well, so yeah, put a few thousand kilometers on it and see how she goes. But, yeah. So yeah, we've taken it on to just one of our local beaches here, just to give it a little bit of a test run. Went pretty good, no issues there. But yeah, I've done the first 1,000 Ks on the motor now, so I've dropped the oil, changed the filter out. I'm probably going to open the old filter and check if there's any foreign material in there, just to double check. But yeah, now I'll be doing oil changes every 5,000.
We have also done our very first camping trip now, just at another beach that we normally go to.
Yeah, just our local little Whitehills Beach. Yeah, pretty popular little beach in Mandurah. Took it down there. Yeah, flogged it up the dunes and that. Pretty hot day as well, so no overheating issues. So yeah, everything.
I got to drive the cruiser.
Yeah, she drove it. She was too short, so she stalled it a few times.
It's alright.
Just gotta go along the legs, mate. days. So now on to bigger and better adventures. See where we're going to go next. We're probably going to go, currently recording this on Christmas Eve day.
Yeah.
So probably next week we're looking at going to Esperance, checking out down south, about in like Denmark, Albany, probably Margs as well. And yeah, see if we can check out some new beaches and whatever. Fuel lines there, but I just need a bit of a nip up to get them to seal properly again. But yeah, everything's going pretty well. What are you excited for?
Cheers. I don't know what we're talking about. We're just filming. It's very windy.